First stock on the movers list here today is going to be AI. That's AEYE. The ticker is LIDR, LIDR, and this had an impulse move in the after hours yesterday, took us to right about 250 before coming back in. Now, what's happening here? Well, the company did report earnings and they beat on the top and the bottom line, but they are also, and perhaps more importantly, joining NVIDIA Halos AI System Inspection Lab to advance their safety certified physical AI solutions. So a really good catalyst here, a fundamental earnings beat, which is good. And then more news here with NVIDIA for the Halos AI System Inspection Lab. That's driving the stock higher by 38% here today. Quick peek at the short interest on this name, 4.97% of the float shorted with 6.83 days to cover. That's something, but it's not crazy. And frankly, given the magnitude of volume that we're trading here today, I suspect that the days to cover probably won't come much into play here today. On average, the stock trades 1 million shares. It's done just shy of 20 million here today. The float on this is 44 million, so we've rotated about half of it prior to the opening bell. 13, what do you think here on ticker LIDR?
Well, this is a blast from the past. This is a 2021 SPAC. I don't remember if you remember when that merged, but this is a 2021 SPAC that merged with CF Finance Corp, and it has de-SPACed vigorously. So here we are going sideways for it's been more than a couple of years now. Hopefully, this new deal with Halos program with NVIDIA is going to finally give it the lift it needs. It's been trying to get back into the 3 handle for a long time. We've had a lot of prints up there since, but they all get faded. The company does have a little cash, very little revenue, but it has virtually no debt. So I think that's the big takeaway here is that this is finally de-SPACed. It has no debt. It just is looking for some business. Maybe it gets it with the Halos. Now, I don't know enough about this company to know exactly what they've got going on in their pipeline, but 215 is a big standout level here for me on the chart, and I'd be looking for a recapture of that. 218 also does stand out. If you look at the intraday on the 5-minute, we did lose that level when the pre-market opened, and we haven't been able to get back above it since. But I saw that 215 was also pretty standout, and we're only talking difference of a few cents, but it was pretty standout on a longer term chart. Anyway, we're in this area where we're seeing some resistance to the upside. But if we can get back above this VWAP, we may be able to recapture 218 and go higher into those some of those after hours highs we were seeing yesterday.
Okay, good stuff there. We did have a fair value gap here earlier, but as you can see, the gap was actually hit twice. This gap no longer unmitigated. So maybe it acts as support again. Maybe it teams up with the 200 EMA here to provide some support. I do like that the gap range is a bit tighter. So if you're going to trade it, a stop at the bottom of the gap is palatable and really kind of controls your risk nicely. Furthermore, we have the trend line that connects the after hours high through the pre-market high today. This serves as a target for us to get over. We'll see what kind of trade action we have here on LIDR, but that's a really good breakdown. Good start there, 13.